Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send payment receipts in Xero. This is a really useful feature when you need to provide customers or clients with confirmation of their transactions, keeping your financial communication professional and organized. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your financial tools and data. This is where you'll manage all your accounting tasks, including sending those important payment receipts. Next, look at the top navigation bar where you'll see several menu options. Click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu with various accounting-related features. From this drop-down, select Bank Accounts. This section is where Xero keeps all your connected bank accounts and their transaction histories, making it easy to track and manage your finances in one place. Now, under the Bank Accounts menu, you'll see a list of all the bank accounts you've connected to Xero. Select the specific bank account you wish to send payment receipts for. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a detailed view of that account, showing all its activity and transactions. You'll now see all the bank transactions associated with this account displayed in a list format. Browse through this list and select any transaction for which you want to send a receipt. This could be a payment received from a customer or any other transaction that requires confirmation. Click on the transaction to proceed. Once you've selected the transaction, you'll be directed to the transaction overview page. This page gives you a complete breakdown of the transaction details. To send a payment receipt, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Options button. Click on it and an expanded selection menu will appear. From this menu, select Send Receipt. This is the feature that allows you to share payment confirmation with your contacts. You'll now be directed to the Send Receipt window. This is where you can customize your message before sending it out. You'll see fields where you can adjust the subject line and the message body to make it more personalized or professional, depending on your needs. Take a moment to review these details and make any changes you'd like. This customization ensures your communication aligns with your brand and provides clear information to the recipient. Optionally, if you'd like to keep a copy for your own records, you can send yourself a copy of this receipt. Simply click on the Send Me a Copy checkbox. This is helpful for tracking what you've sent and maintaining thorough documentation of all communications. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction and double-check the details, click on Send. Your payment receipt will be delivered to the recipient, providing them with clear confirmation of their transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent a payment receipt through Xero, streamlining your financial communication and keeping everything professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.